Iced tea.
Ice is solid. Solid is how to say solid. Lid. Aha. Water is liquid. Liquid. Coke, tea, washing up liquid, coffee, milk. Well, washing up liquid is for those people who don't know, that's what you wash plates up with. Milk, iced tea, window cleaner, that's what you clean windows with. Liquid soap, I use solid soap, the old-fashioned stuff. Pumpy soap with liquid soap. And beer are all over 90% water. The liquids in your home that are not mostly water are, so all of these are mostly water. Nail varnish remover, nail varnish remover can be 100% acetone, although acetone, now people are using other things that are less carcinogenic. Nail varnish remover is made of acetone. Is sometimes made of acetone. Often is sometimes. Sometimes it's better. It's not always made of acetone. Acetone. The liquid in the tubes at the back of your fridge, freezer and air conditioner. Yes! There's several different liquids used. Ammonia and CFCs. Candle wax when it is hot and liquid. Yes, the candle wax, heat it to 70 degrees C, suddenly you've got a liquid that's not water. Cooking oil and olive oil. Yes, they're 100% oily. Water is made of 2 atoms of hydrogen. 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 Singular, not hydrogens. That's just silly, doesn't make any sense. Change. 2 atoms of hydrogen compounded with 1 atom of oxygen. Oxygen. Written H2O. H2O. H2O is 3 atoms compounded to make a molecule. Molecule. Yes, molecules are 2 or more atoms stuck together. You've got molecules of H2, molecules of O2, molecules of H2O. That's compound, that's an element, that's an element. Anyway, liquid atoms and molecules are held to get close together by forces called bonds. Yes, one hydrogen bond, another hydrogen hold together. Another hydrogen molecule nearby, no. It's such a very, very weak bond. That's why hydrogen is gas, because the hydrogens go around in twos. Whoosh, 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 doesn't care about gravity, because 2 atoms of hydrogen have very little weight. So don't care about gravity, there's only 2 of them, and that's why it's gas. And they're not holding together. Liquid atoms and molecules are held close together by forces called bonds. Yes, covalent bond in that case. Atoms and molecules are called particles. Particles. Liquid particles can move around because the bonds move from one molecule to another molecule. Yes, so if you've got a H2O here, hydrogen bonded to another H2O, hydrogen bonded to another H2O. This one breaks off from that one and moves over in this direction because this bond isn't very strong. Whereas unless we have another H2O, can you see that? Yeah. HO. This is a covalent bond, doesn't break. Well, enormous amounts of energy to break, lots of energy. Whereas these bonds between one H2O and another H2O, they're hydrogen bonds. They have these dotted ones about 1/10 the strength of a covalent bond, which is strong. And that's why these are moving around. Oh, I don't want to be with you. I'm going to go off over here with somebody else. And that's why water is a liquid at room temperature. Heat it up, of course, and all the hydrogen bonds are all broken. It goes whizzing about as a gas called steam. You push the bonds around when you walk through water. That's why it's easy to push the H2O atoms out of your way as you walk through water. In a swimming pool or at the sea. Liquids pour easily and take the shape of the bottom of the container they're on. Yes, I mean, there's no, like, you know, pour a liquid into a bottle and, like, the bottom half of the bottle's still air. No, the liquid goes all the way to the bottom. When liquids are heated up, they boil to make their gas. Make a gas? Their gas. Their gas is a bit weird. Yes, so H2O liquid becomes H2O gas. Water turns to steam at 100 degrees Celsius. When liquids are cooled... okay, 3 there. 1 there. When liquids are cooled, they freeze to make their solid. Water in a freezer will freeze to solid ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Oh, that should be a 0. I'll get my wife to change that into a 0 because I think that is an O, as in orange, rather than a 0, the number. Solid atoms and molecules are held together by bonds that do not move. Solid particles cannot move around, so you cannot walk through your school's concrete walls. Huge big wall of ice, like they had in Game of Thrones. Or a glacier. Yes, walking up a valley. Oh, there's a glacier in my way. I'm just going to walk right through the glacier. No, it's solid because it's solid ice. Solids have a shape that does not change, called a stable, definite shape. Definite. Yes. Your walls, floors, toys, books, and furniture are all solid. Do you have any liquid toys? Putty is kind of half-half. Ice cubes and ice cream are solids that become liquids if you allow them to heat up and melt. Yes. Ice cream has lots and lots of air in it. That's the difference between ice cream and ice cubes. Ice cream also, sometimes if it's very expensive cream, has actual cream. But a lot of the time ice cream doesn't have cream. It's just sugar, bit of milk, sometimes. Some additives, chemical additives, add taste and colour. And a load of air, because air's free. That's why they'd like putting lots of air into ice cream. Also makes it taste really yummy. Which is weird, isn't it? There's loads of air, makes it taste like yummy. So, win-win. And also you don't eat as much bad stuff. When you put your fingers in ice cream or sand, you are moving the small solid crystals apart. Crystals. Yes, push one. You can push one piece of sand, no problem. That's why you can push a finger into a whole bunch of sand. You're just pushing a couple of thousand of them out of the way. Candles have a flame that melts. That melts candle wax to a liquid. Yes. Window glass, most plastics and all metals, will also melt to liquids if you give them enough heat. But don't do that. Don't go melting your glass windows for your house. Your mum's not going to be happy. Sometimes when you try melting plastics, you end up burning it, making carcinogenic fumes. Stay away from burning plastic. Metals. Very high temperature. Not a good idea to metal. It's dangerous. Candles. Stick with candles. It's only like 70 degrees C. You can actually put candle wax on your hand and people go, no, it's going to hurt, and it doesn't. A little bit. If you heat up liquids enough, you get gases. Yes. That's like steam. Now, steam is 100 degrees C. That will hurt you. Never put your hand in steam or boiling water out of the kettle or anything like that. Be careful out there. Water is a compound because it is made of different atoms. 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogens. Bonded to hydrogens. bonded together to make a H2O molecule. Liquid particles are close together. The bonds are constantly moving. Liquids boil to gases. Liquids freeze to solids. Solid particles are close together and do not move around. The bonds have to be broken. Yes, so you can snap. You can snap a wooden ruler. Nowadays nobody has wooden rulers. You can snap a pencil in half and you end up with all the jaggedy bits. You have broken all the bonds between the bits of wood. Liquids melt, solids melt to make their liquid. You can also smash up ice and then try smashing up water. Can't smash up water. It doesn't smash into jaggedy bits. Glass particles are far apart and have no bonds. Gas particles, not glass, gas. Read the stuff, Gary. Excellent! Press my circular picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!